Principal Sister Pavitra, Vice Principal Sister Anija, Sister Archana, and all our dear sisters, respected teachers, and all our dear students. A warm and pleasant good morning to you all. Strength is always with unity is a popular phrase and it is true to its every word. Unity represents togetherness. In addition to this, put on love, which is the perfect bond of unity. Spreading love and unity in the world in your own way can really make it a more positive place to live in. So, we, the students of class 8B, are delighted to take you through a small journey of love and unity.
Love and unity. Even the weak become strong when they are united. We are each other's harvest, we are each other's business, we are each other's magnitude and each other's bond.
Let us understand the importance of unity in our life. Once there was a butterfly flying in the air with very happiness. She flew long for her way. There was a boy jogging on the street as a morning walk. He noticed the butterfly coming from the air, opened his hands and flipped the butterfly. The butterfly went high in the sky, called all her friends. All the butterflies came with beautiful colors. The boy was afraid. They formed different patterns. The pattern of a united butterfly. The child was scared looking at this pattern. Next, they formed the pattern of arrow. And what happened? The boy ran scaring off. He went back to his home. The butterflies were very happy as they are united now. This is called unity is strength.
When we work together in love and unity, we can expect heaven's help.
The farmer had 4 sons, but he was not happy with them. They always quarreled among themselves. He tried to bring them down to their senses but failed. One day the farmer fell ill and felt that his death was knocking at the door. At last he thought of a plan. He called all his sons and asked them to bring a bundle of sticks. When the bundle was brought, he asked each one of his sons to break them. They tried hard but failed. Then the farmer asked his sons to unite the bundle and break a stick, each one by one. They could break the sticks easily. Then the father said,
"Come on, my sons, and bring a bundle of sticks. Now break the bundle." They tried hard but could not break the bundle. Unite a bundle and break a stick, each one by one. This time they could break the sticks easily. You see, my sons, each of you broke one stick easily, but none of you could break the bundle of sticks. Why you couldn't do so?
Because in the bundle the sticks work together.
That's right. You see the strength of unity now? If you remain together, nobody can break you. You must live together so that no one can harm you.
this incident, they lived together in peace and the farmer was happy. Moral: unity is strength.
I can do the things you cannot. You can do the things I cannot. Together we can do great things.
There's a proverb: united we stand, divided we fall. 10 sticks together, unbreakable, can be broken easily if given to all. Wind easily blows the dust, but cannot move the rock. Birds trapped in net united, along with net flew the flock. As well, if people are united for valid and right cause, there can't be any reason their efforts will pause.
Love is an understanding so complete that you feel as if you are a part of other person, accepting the other person as the way they are and not trying to change them to be something else. Love is the source of unity.
Love and unity are intertwined. Love is the bedrock and cornerstone of every thriving relationship. Hence, it underlines unity. For instance, you cannot forgive someone without loving him or her. Likewise, you cannot be united with people without loving them. Love is not about getting, it is about giving. Love is not about selfishness, it is about sacrifice. The eventual result of love is unity. Unity is strength means staying united in all situations. Hereby we conclude our program. Hope we were able to enlighten our thoughts on love and unity. Thank you and have a lovely day.